Hello from Johnson Ford. My name is David Mazzola. Here is a 2022 Ford Bronco Sport Big Ben Edition. This is powered with a 1.5 inline 3-cylinder engine, all-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around. You got 17-inch metallic polished rims. Beautiful vehicle. Plenty of cargo space in the back. The glass does pop open. You do have access by opening the entire door. Rear passengers, plenty of leg space in the back. It does come with the WeatherTech mats in it, keeping your vehicle looking clean, lasting longer, less odors to stick around from the floor. Up front, you'll have your power windows, locks, cruise, tilt. Go ahead and plug in your Bluetooth phone, pair it up with the LCD touchscreen. Give us a call today at 715-246-3673.